Okay, this car starts and then it stops. I think it might be fuel related, so got some starting fluid here. I took off the throttle hose there. I'm gonna squirt some starter fluid in there. See what happens. It's running, so it might be fuel pump related. Oh, there it shut off. Good.